Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the concept of production function and factors of production. Under that we have the concept is law of variable proportion. First of all, we should know what is production. Production is very important economic activity. Production indicates the transformation of inputs into output. Input means what firm buys like raw materials, labor, capital, etc. Output means what firm sells. Thus, production is nothing but creation of utilities of the goods and services to satisfy the wants of the consumer. The process of production is a complex in modern economy. Many stages are there till it reaches the consumer's hand. There exist factors of production. They are man-made and natural. We know that there are four factors of production, that is land, labor, capital, and organization. The total production depends on quantity and quality of factors of production. For example, land. In economics, land is does not mean only soil or earth surface, but it refers to all free gifts of nature, which include natural resources such as forests, water, climate, minerals, etc. Then characteristics of land is a free gift of nature, land is immobile, land differs in fertility. Then coming to the labor means mental and physical effort of human being in the process of production in economic purpose. And here the characteristics of labor are the labor is inseparable, labor is perishable, has no reserve price, efficiency of labor differs from person to person, labor has weak bargaining power. Then coming to the division of labor, where it refers to the dividing the work among workers in such a way that each worker is supposed to do one activity. No labor completes the uh, good. So, division of labor increases the efficiency, increases specialized skills. Then, coming to the capital, it's a flow concept where it is a produced means of factors of production. The money spent on capital, on plant, machinery, tools, raw materials is called as a capital. Supply of capital changes. Capital has a mobility, right? Then the classification of capital, we have real capital, physical capital, individual, social, and fixed and variable, tangible and intangible capital. So the production where without capital is impossible. Efficiency of the workers also depends upon the capital. More capital means more production, technological progress, more employment opportunities will be created. So capitalist plays a very important. Organization is nothing but all to organize all the production activities. Organization is required, which combine all the factors of production, right proportion, right technology. And coming to the technology, where the money spent on research and development, not, technology advancement not only improves the production but also the skills of the laborers and entrepreneurs also. So where optimal utilization of capital is possible. So the production function where we have discussed the is a function of qx n l k o t. That means qx is a dependent variable and f n l k o t, there is a function of these inputs. They are called as independent variables. For a given quantity of output is produced by minimum quantities of various inputs, that is called as efficient production function. Now the production is studied in the under the two periods. One is short period and another one is long period. Any change in output requires changes in inputs. Short period we cannot change all the inputs like machines, buildings, they cannot be changed, and labor, raw materials can be variable factors. So a firm can change the level of output only by varying variable factors of production. That can be studied in the concept of law of variable proportion. Then, in the long run, all the factors of production are variable. All inputs can be changed. That is called as the law of returns to scale. Now we'll discuss about the law of variable proportion. That is in the it is in the short run concept. Some factors are varied while some factors are fixed. In short run, output can be increased by increasing uh, variable factors that are combined with the fixed factors. Then, according to the Alfred Marshall, uh, an increase in the capital and labor applied in the cultivation of land causes, in general, a less than proportionate increase in the amount of produce raised unless it happens to coincide with the art of agriculture. So, according to this law of variable proportion, the meaning is that when you increasing the output by increasing variable factors, when variable factors are combined with the fixed factors, the total output increases at an increasing rate, then at a diminishing rate, then eventually decreases. This law is also known as law of diminishing returns. Now coming to the assumptions, it the law operates in the short run. The techniques of production are constant. Labor is only the variable factor, and all other factors are fixed. All units of variable factors are homogeneous, and it is possible to use variable factors with fixed factors, and the production is measured in physical units. Suppose a farmer has 10 acres of land to cultivate. The functions the factors of land and capital are assumed as fixed factors of production, and labor are variable factors. So any change in the number of variable will change the output also. The changes of that results in TP, AP, MP. Now, what is this TP, AP, and MP? TP says total product, and AP is average product, and MP is the marginal product. So, here TP means total output produced by combining all the factors of production. Then AP, that tells you the average product, that is it refers to total product per unit of the variable factor labor. AP is equal to TP by L. Then coming to the marginal product, addition made to the total product by employing additional unit of variable factor is called as marginal product. The formula is MPN is equal to TPN minus TPN minus 1, or MP is equal to delta TP by delta L. This is the TP, AP, and MP. So, if you study in the stage 1, that is called increasing returns, where total product increases at an increasing rate, both average product and marginal product also increases in this stage. But marginal product reaches its maximum, that is at the third unit of labor is used, where AP reaches to maximum at the fourth unit of labor, and here AP equals to declining MP. At point E, both AP and MP curves are intersecting. So this stage is known as increasing returns, where in this stage TP is greater than MP, MP is greater than AP. Then coming to the stage 2, it is called as diminishing returns. In this stage, uh, where average product is maximum and continues up to the level of marginal productivity is 0, and it shows that where TP is greater than AP, AP is greater than MP. So this production is profitable only in the stage of diminishing returns, that is in stage 2. Then third stage, negative returns. When a firm continues production beyond this second stage, the marginal productivity will becomes negative. In this stage, the total and average products decline, the marginal productivity becomes negative. That is, TP is greater than AP, AP is greater than MP. Employment of the eighth worker causes a decrease in total product, that is from 60 to 56 units, and makes the marginal product minus 4. That is called as a negative returns. So any rational producer or a firm should not stop production in stage 1 and continue up to stage 2. Producer or firm will be in equilibrium only when TP is maximum and marginal productivity is 0 at the end of the second stage. So second stage is comfortable zone to the producer. Thank you. Please subscribe.